Let's start with the front emblem. You'll need to pop off your frunk so we can remove all of the panels to access the front emblem and to install the wiring. Gently pop off each trim by following the points where they're anchored. There are chances that the clips will be left on the car, but you can easily pry and reinstall them into the panels. Get your Torx 30 bit to remove these 4 Torx screws off. Unscrew the rubber hood stoppers to remove the side panels. Also, remove these 2 Torx 30 close to the strut bar. And to remove the frunk entirely, carefully unhook the light and release harnesses. Now, look at your non-existent engine. Pretty neat, huh?
Nice.
Now to remove the front emblem, I use the pick and pry tools to remove the 4 quick locking washers. It's okay if you break them because the kit includes replacement for them. Now carefully pull out your OEM Mustang emblem. Install your BSKT light-up emblem by feeding the wire first in the middle hole. Don't peel the 3M tape yet though. On either headlights, unhook the main harness and you'll install the piggyback harness. This is going to extend the wiring harness to accommodate the light-up power wire from the emblem. Feed the harness to reach the center of the bumper. Make sure you install the white male cable from the emblem into the white female harness. Try it on first before anything else. Now that's working. Clean off the recess area of the emblem so it has a clean area for the 3M tape to latch onto. Reinstall the quick locking washers to the back of the emblem for more security. Let's finally do the rear emblem. Clean off the area and mask around the emblem so that you won't accidentally scratch the paint. Heat it up and get yourself a floss or fishing line to saw off the tape holding the emblem. You might need to pry it off gently, so avoid wrecking the OEM emblem, just in case you need to return everything to OEM. Heat up the adhesive residue and clean it up again. Feed feed the wires into the middle hole, one harness at a time. I'm just going to tape this one until I know it's working. To access the light harnesses, pry off the center panel and work your way to the back. Again, clips might not go with all of the panels, so pry and reinstall them. Unhook either of the rear tail light harnesses and install the piggyback harness provided to you and route the extended wires into the middle to reach the emblem power wires. Install the harness, and you're done. Technically you're done, but they also provided you with this extension wire if you want the emblem to light up white when you're going reverse. I personally dig it if it's solely red. If you need to install that, check out the description below for BSKT Design's channel. Check if it's working and install the emblem with the 3M tape. And you're done! Despite the black appearance package with this Mach-E was sleek and cool, I think the light-up emblems add aggressiveness to the look. They're a bit bigger than the OEM to accommodate the LEDs and wiring, but I get it. It's not a deal breaker. They're bright and you can still see them during daylight. Thanks again for BSKT Design for sending me this set. Remember, support the businesses that supports the channel.